How to change the terms of my Yelp deals. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can change the terms of your Yelp deals. So ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to contact the Yelp support. This is because anything related to Yelp, such as maybe removing your Yelp, changing important things on your Yelp deals, you have to contact the customer support directly. Okay. Now then, how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here. Once you're logged in, you'll see the logo by the top left corner. You'll see the search box. You'll see different options. And by the time you scroll down, you'll see different awesome things as well. So once you can see this, the next step is to scroll down to the lowest part of the screen. That's where you will see the support. So on the lowest part of the screen's page, you can see four columns, namely about, discover, Yelp for business, languages. And under discover, you can see support. So just click on that. After clicking on support, you'll be brought to the support page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see some articles addressing questions that you might have, and then you can now go ahead and ask your question in here. And then in this case, what is the question? The question is how to change the terms of your Yelp deals. So just go ahead, enter in the details, enter in whatever and everything, and then you'll be directed on how you can make necessary adjustments, and they'll provide guidance on how you can proceed. So ensure you carry this out, reach out to the Yelp support so that you can have accurate and personalized assistance for managing your Yelp days. Thanks for watching and have a good day.